I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at first just slide down the upper bar and click on battery saver. And that's it. Now your OnePlus 60 is in low power solution mode. If you'd like to switch it off, just click on the same icon one more time. But if you'd like to personalize it or if you would like to add some automatic rules, just open the settings and go to the battery. So it's under buttons and gestures. Just open the battery and go to battery saver. And here you can add the rule. You can pick turn on automatically, click here, add for example 15% of your battery, or you can obviously select it, for example 17%. So once your OnePlus battery is lower than 17%, battery saver will be automatically activated and it will extend your battery life. So obviously you can switch it off over here and turn it on now. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.